Croeso i'ch Meithrin newydd. Good morning, new Sally Valley children, and welcome to your new nursery. So, fi yw Mrs Morgan, a mi fydda I, Mrs Blackborough, Miss Stevens a Miss Peirce yn eich dysgu chi yn Sally Valley Meithrin. I'm Mrs Morgan, and myself, Mrs Blackborough, Miss Peirce and Miss Stevens will be teaching you here in Sally Valley Meithrin. So, dewch mewn, come on in. Dyma lle byddwch chi'n rhoi eich cotiau. This is where you'll put your coats when you come in. Bydd pawb efo enw, everyone will have their name next to a peg. Okay, dewch mewn. Okay, dyma lle byddwch chi yn mynd i'r tŷ bach. Here's where you'll go to the toilet. And we wash our hands, golchi dwylo, pob tro. Dyma yw'r carpet, here's the carpet. A dyma lle byddwn ni yn canu, helo ffrindiau, byddwn ni'n neud dysgu a chwarae ar y carpet. This is the carpet, and this is where we come when we come in first thing into Sally Valley Meithrin. And here we'll do lots of singing and playing and learning. Okay, dyma'r blociau, dyma'r ardal blociau. Here's the block area, and there's lots of lovely things for you to build and play with here. Okay, dyma yw'r ardal celf. Here's our art area, a mae gyda ni bwrdd hyfryd i chi gallu gwneud lot o peintio a lliwio fan hyn. Here's our lovely art table. You can do lots of colouring and painting here. Okay, draw fan hyn. Over here is our writing table, ein bwrdd ysgrifennu, a gallwch chi defnyddio'r peniau a pethau crafft i gwneud pethau fan hyn ar y bwrdd. This is our writing table. You can use lots of different things here to do your writing. Fan hyn mae gyda ni'r tŷ bach twt, our little house area. Okay, dewch mewn. Mae gyda ni'r shop. We've got the shop for you to buy all your bits for the house. Mae gyda ni lle mae'r babies yn cysgu. This is where all the babies sleep, and you can change their clothes and stuff there. Dyma lle rydyn ni'n bwyta. Here's where we'll be eating. A dyma dau pram. Here are some prams for the dollies. Okay, gallwch chi hefyd eistedd yn smart fan hyn. Gallwch chi just ymlacio. You can just relax here on the chairs, read a book. A fan hyn, chi'n gallu coginio, and here you can do some cooking. My Mrs Morgan and hoffi cookies, okay? I love cookies. If someone wants to bake me a cookie. Draw fan hyn, mae gyda ni ein ardal darllen. This is our reading area. A gada fi roi'r goleadau arno. Let's put the lights on. A fan hyn. Oh, wow. Oh, it's yn gweithio. And here, you can read nice and quietly here in the reading area. Okay, you can choose your books. Let me see if I can pop that light on. There we go. Okay, you can choose your books and you can come and sit down nice and quietly here, okay? Felly, yr un peth, the last place to show you is tu allan. Let's go outside, just ever so quickly. Okay. Dyma'r tu allan, this is the outside. Mae hi'n wyntog heddiw, it's very windy today. Ond, rydych chi'n gallu chwarae draw fan hyn ar yr offer on the climbing frames there. Or we can do some cooking and eating over under the trees. Okay? Felly dyna ni, that's it. That's Sally Valley Meithrin. Felly, rydyn ni'n edrych ymlaen at gweld chi ar ôl Nadolig. We're looking forward to seeing you after Christmas. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau!